So are you ready?
Yes.
Cool. Well, I'll help you get on it and then we can try it out. Alright? Cool. It's good we got the training wheels. Are you excited to do that?
I wish.
What's that? Are you trying to fix it?
Oh.
Alright, let's do it.
Excellent. Good, Mike.
Now let's do it again.
Nora!
Hey, Nora.
Nora!
Push the pedals.
I don't see anything.
Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Now your turn.
No,